I'm attempting to make scalloped potatoes for the first time in my life, but the problem is I forgot to pick up sauce for it. Ooh-wee. Can't even see it. I've added a whole onion, added garlic powder, paprika, and seasoning salt. Then I'm gonna add other paprika and fry it up like stir fry a little bit, and then put it in the oven. Now my meat is getting a little bit crispy and dry. I fried it for about 15 minutes, and now I'm gonna add it on top of the scallop. Like so, and my next step is to add cheese on it. Cover it with cheese. I don't have any other cheese, so this will do. I'm gonna cover the whole thing and then put it in the oven. Here it is, like so, and now I'm going to put it back in the oven and bake it for 10 minutes, but we'll check it later and see how it goes. Well then. Here we go, it's done. This is based on a video I saw on YouTube. The potatoes are good. And the meat is crispy.